There's 3517. New
I
S.
got you a couple Wildcats I'm gonna give you. Here, you want this?
I need a new one.
Yeah, what's your first name?
Ethan.
My name's Mark. I've been on the railroad for 27 years. I can retire in 3.
Wow.
I carried those ball caps. You said that you was going to be gone for about a week or so.
Yeah, I was, and then I had so much schoolwork to do.
Okay, you coming back up here quite a bit?
Yeah.
You gonna be around here tomorrow, maybe? Sometimes, some days I might not come up here, but I got you a Norfolk Southern ball cap. It's red like your shirt there, and then there's another company called United Rail Service, Somerset. I got you one of their ball caps too. Okay. But we'll hook up sometime, man.
Yeah.
But take care. I just want to say hello. Okay.
All right. Thank you. So there's that. New Norfolk Southern vest. Recorded the entire thing. Norfolk Southern. Probably realized I was recording the entire thing.